A person exerts an upward force on a box as shown above. The box may be moving upward, downward, or not at all, while the person exerts the upward force. For which of the following motions of the box is the work done by the person on the box correctly indicated? This is College Board MCQ. Here, what is happening? The box is the box is held by a person, and then the person is holding the box or exerting the force in the upward direction. Okay, the box is moving, maybe moving upwards or downwards, or it may be stationary. We don't know, or it may be at rest. Now we have four options. We have to find out which option is correct. Okay, only this is a single select question. The first one is motion of the box and work done by person on box. That is the thing. For that, he gave different options. First option, no motion, and then box is not moving, and then work done by person on the box is positive. Okay. Here, when the person is applying a force on a box, and then the box is not moving in the sense the work done is equal to 0. Am I right? No motion, no. So work done by the 0. That means it is wrong. This option is wrong. Next option. Motion of the box is upward with a decreasing speed, and then work done by person on box is negative. This is also wrong, because when the force is exerted by the person is upwards and then the box is moving upward, that means the work done is positive. But he is saying that work done is negative, work done by the person, okay, not by the gravity, by the person is negative. It is wrong. It is positive. When the box is moving upwards and then the force is also upwards, theta is equal to 0, no? Here. And then when theta is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, work done is equal to positive. So, but he is saying that is it negative. So, this is also wrong. Next. Motion of the box is downward with constant speed, and work done by person on the box is 0. Absolutely, it is wrong answer. No, because when the box is moving downwards and then force exerted by the person is upwards, and then the box is the work done is negative, but it is not 0. So, but he is saying 0. That means this is also wrong. So next choice. What is the next one? Motion of the box is downward with increasing speed, and then work done by person on the box is negative. This is the right answer. How? I will explain. So force is acting in the upward direction, and then the movement is down, displacement is in the downward direction. This is the direction of the displacement. This is the direction of the force. So the angle between the force and displacement is 180 degrees. Therefore, cos 180 is equal to -1. Therefore, work done is equal to negative. Am I right? Because work done is equal to force dot displacement, or W is equal to FD cos theta. Therefore, W becomes negative. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. So hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.